Wow, so fast ah. This is how fast the bottles are traveling on the conveyor belt. And this is what the manufacturer is trying to achieve by creating a low friction material so that the bottle can travel faster. Let's see whether I can get myself a drink. Haha. Hi everyone, I'm Johnny Lim from SLS, Singapore. Let's talk about tabletop chain and modular plastic belt today. On this table, you will find Regina Flitetop chain as well as their Matveyor conveyor belt. Regina is from Italy and they have been in this business since 1980s. They have produced one of the best plastic material for this industry. Now, let's have a look at the material produced by Regina. First, we have this material called UP, which is the more common and most economical material, but it uses lubrication. Next, we have this material called DK2. It uses very little lubrication, thereby saving you cost. Next, look at this color, yellow, very nice. This material is called EFAS. It don't need any lubrication. Do not understand what I mean? Now, let's have a look. This is the traditional material. You will see the surface is wet. That is the lubrication. Now you see, EFAS material. No lubrication. This is what we call run dry. And yes, Regina chain is industry standard and can replace your existing chain without modification. Okay friends, if you are interested to know more about Regina chain and belt or how can it apply in your production, please contact us or email us. If you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button now so that you will not miss our up and coming video. Till we meet again, cheers!